Local scope refers to variables declared within a function in Python. The variables are only accessible within that specific function. When a function is called, the local scope is created temporarily. Once the function execution ends, the local scope is destroyed. Local variables are distinct and do not affect global variables. Local scope allows for modularity and prevents unintentional interference. It provides encapsulation of data within specific function boundaries. Local scope variables are typically used for temporary computations. Local variables can shadow global variables with the same name. Python ensures local scoped variables do not leak to the global scope. Local scope increases the reliability and cleanliness of code. It is a vital concept in functional programming within Python. Understanding local scope aids in debugging and efficient coding. Proper local scope management can enhance code performance. Local scope is fundamental to Python's localized variable management.